Ever wondered what happens when you cross a guinea pig with a beach bum? You get a capybara, mate. Fact 1. Capybaras are the largest rodents on the planet. Imagine a guinea pig on steroids. Now double it. Fact 2. These furry legends love to soak in water so much you'd think they're auditioning for the next season of Baywatch. Fact 3. Capybaras are so chill, birds literally perch on their backs, hitching rides and snacking on insects. Talk about Uber for birds. Fact 4. They communicate with barks, whistles, and even purrs. Yes, purrs, move over, cats. Fact 5. Capybaras are total social butterflies, living in groups as big as 100. That's a lot of birthday cards to remember. If you know any more capybara facts, drop them in the comments below. Let's keep the fun rolling.